Hi, GQ here, welcome back. I got 3 plants from the Carousel buyer, which is Kebun Bibi. Okay, let's talk about this seller. Give me a good price, buy from him, like this is the 3rd time. So I will link down the seller screenshot as well. So if you are interested, you can find him in the Carousel, and I receive in good condition. But to take note that the plants that I want to show today got some defects and is sell for like very cheap price. So this is my first plant, the Philodendron silver sword, also known as Philodendron hastatum. So as you can see in the picture, it has a like silvery color in the foliage, and got some arrowroot, and yes, I just take it in the water yesterday after I got it from the store. Like here got some this is a defect lah. This is a defect that I mentioned. You got some holes, and the leaf are not really pretty. Don't is it focusing? Yeah, got some like mark here, but it's okay. The plant will grow eventually, and I have a new leaf, and the old leaf will die off. Okay, so the second one that I got is Philodendron Wildfin. It's a variegated version. So yeah. So all my plant is come very rooted, and I think because this seller is from Indonesia, and I think because of the immigration thingy, he cannot bring in some soil or any potting medium. So all come with bare rooted. So as you can see, this is the variegated Wildfin. Yeah, as I said, all these plants have defects now. So yeah, this is the defect that I mentioned, and here also, and over the back also got some, but it doesn't affect much from the front view. Yeah, it's quite long. It's like my forearm length. Yeah, and the seller just sell it for $10 only. As you can see, the variegation is very nice. Yeah, I have been finding this quite a while, and most of I saw in internet or the nursery is like those green without the variegation. So the third one that I got is Philodendron Palmanai. Yeah, correct me if I pronounce it wrongly. Okay, this got 2 leaves, so this is the bigger one. They got some defect on it lah, but it doesn't really matter. And it's very big, as you can see, it's compared to my head. It's very big. And other than the defects, oh, over here also got some defects. You can see the stem here, like it's like crispy. So this is the second leaf, which is a smaller leaf. Actually, these are not much defect, but still got some like imperfection. Like over here got some holes. I'm not sure if you can see the camera. Got some holes, and yeah, over here like split. But I don't care. And the stem is for this leaf is pretty well maintained. Like no much defect on this stem. And when I noticed when I okay, so all this plant is wrapped in tissue when the seller bring it to Singapore. So yeah, without any potting medium, without any soil or anything. So when I open up the tissue, so the first thing I noticed is, yeah, I got a new leaf. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, I got a new baby, a new leaf coming on the way. Overall, the roots are healthy as well. Yeah, I supposed to get this Philodendron Palmanai on the second purchase, but however I think he sell it to another person or something lah. So it's okay. That one is much more smaller, and if not wrong, it cost me around 45 Sing dollar. Yeah, and this because of the defect, I get like 30 bucks, but I don't need to pay anything as my second position already pay enough.